The UDP and Hspdp yesterday decided to strengthen their ties through the Regional Democratic Alliance (RDA). UDP President Met Batlingdor told reporters that senior leaders and MLAs of the two parties are in agreement that the RDA needs to be strengthened in order to collectively highlight issues affecting the indigenous communities of the state. Meanwhile, Hspdp President KP Pangyang said both the parties will continue with their post-poll alliance by retaining the RDA. Pangyang said that the two parties will soon elect the secretary, chairman and co-chairman of the RDA.
Mentagasi nak kalian jungi ke parti ni ya kendu hadin ba suak election ngimdan ke post ke people alliance ke melaong syakmat Henry kumbangi jupan banana ke Hspdp na ke por ba ya ke jingi dei jong ke RDA kadang ya pe seprang kadang ne bat ngina panba pi mentagasi ke kendu ke jungi ke long ba ngila haban jit thmairu iwat ikino kam namar mana ke swaban wan ke election kalau don hi kijing ya duna na kalian kinokit kam ya kata ngam kwa ban ya tulut den rei gila de ban jit thma ya chairman co-chairman mo secretary te menta ka sing le kren ru bangi swan ra ya gane ka jing sha shu ya ka jong ki party.
The State Cancer Society of Meghalaya and the Oncology